Hello everyone, I'm Ms. Sabat, science teacher at Band School. Today we have a trip with the Band School students, grade 6 to Erbil Zoo, to introduce the groups and the different kinds of animals. Students, as you know that we have two groups of the animals based on their backbone. This is a monkey, they have a backbone, so they are vertebrate in the groups of mammals because they can give birth, their body covered with a fur, and also they can feed their babies by mouth.
My name is Bawan. I'm in Bam Private School. Today we visited Erbil Zoo.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad. I'm at Bam Private School at 6B. Today we visited the zoo. There is a lot of animals like birds, like monkeys, like everything, like lions.
Students, as we know that lions are carnivores because they eat only meat, or they are called predators. They hunt other animals as food. They can't eat such as plants or other living things for food. They only eat other animals, so they are predator or consumer. We said that they are carnivore, kind of consumer, because they use other animals or consume other animals for food. Noted, students?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Tara. I'm grade 6 and I study at Band School. Today, Band School decided to take us to the zoo and I am so happy.
Hello, my name is Lean. I'm grade 6. I study at Band School. They decided to take us to a trip to Erbil Zoo. There's so many different types of animals. There's mammals, fish, and there's even like reptiles and alligators. For the mammals, we have a horse, and we even have cats too. For the alligators, we have reptiles. And birds, we have peacocks and owls and turkey. Bye.
Okay, students, they are ostriches. As we know that ostrich is a kind of bird. They have two wings, but they cannot fly. Their body covered with a feather, and also they reproduce by laying eggs.
Hello, my name is Umar at 6B and we went to Erbil Zoo, and this is zebra. In science, we learn two kinds of reproduction, and this is reproduced by sexual reproduction.
ئەو کاتتان باش خۆشەویستان، ئەمە وەکو قوتابخانەی بانی ناحکومی هاتین لە بۆ باخچەی ئاژەڵان. قوتابیەکانمان لینە، قوتابیەکانمان پۆلی شەشەم هاتین کە پێیان نیشان بدەین کە هەتا چەند دەکرێت ئاژەڵ دۆست بن و زانیاری چاچیان دەست بکەوت لەسەر ئاژەڵەکانمان. لێرانەکە لە خۆتان هەرۆکو دەزان کە چەندین ئاژەڵی جۆرا-جۆری هەیە و پێمان خۆش بووکەوە قوتابیەکانمان لە نزیکەوە ئاژەڵەکان ببین و زانیاریەکانیان دەست بکەویت.
students. My name is Vani in Ban Private School. Today we visited Erbil Zoo, and you see there's too many animals like tiger, lion, monkey, cat. Anyway, we love to see the animals and back.
Now we ended the trip to Erbil Zoo, so students enjoyed it. They had a lot of fun, and also they learned a lot of information about different kinds of animals. Also, they learned it and collected a lot of things that they have studied at science book.